من حديث عبد الله بن زيد رضي الله عنه, from the hadith of Abdullah ibn Zayd رضي الله أن رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم, that the Prophet صلى الله عليه وسلم indeed تمضمض واستنشق من كف واحد. He used to make تمضمض. تمضمض means rinsing the mouth. واستنشق, and also rinsed his nose, and it took it like this, من كف واحد, with one fistful of water. فعل واحد وفعل ذلك ثلاث, and also sometimes thrice. وفي لفظ تمضمض واستنثر بثلاث غرفات. Sometimes he used to also take it thrice, okay, يعني تمضمض, he rinses the mouth thrice, and also he did istinthar, means you take the water inside and then you take it out, يعني not pulling in but pulling out is istinthar. So we have three words. One is tamadmad. Tamadmad means rinsing the mouth. Istinshaq means to pull in the water, and istinthar is to blow out the water. So tamadmud means rinsing the mouth. Number two, istinshaq is to pull in water, and istinthar is to blow out water. These are the three words which comes in Bab al-Wudu. طيب, فهذا أصح ما روي في المضمضة واستنشاق. This from the most correct narrations which has been narrated in مضمضة and istinshaq. طيب, وكان يستنشق بيده اليمنى, and the Prophet ﷺ used to use his right hand in pulling in water. So he used to use his right hand. وَيَسْتَنْثَرْ بِالْيُسْرَى, and when he blew out, he used his left hand this way. So he took it. So using the right and using the left during istinthar. طيب, وكان يستنشق بيده اليمنى, in istinshaq he used to use the right hand. ويستنثر باليسرى, and in istinthar, in pulling out water, he used the left hand. وكان يمسح رأسه كله, sometimes, and then he during wudu he rubbed his head كله, totally. He did not leave anything. So this is head. طيب, وتارة يقبل بيده ويدبر, and sometimes he used to take it back and again bring it to the front. يقبل, the qabl al-ra's is the starting of the head, and dubr is the back. So he used to do this and bring it back. Another riwayat is also يرجع إلى قبل, it should come at the first where you started it from. So the Prophet ﷺ made masah like this, okay, and brought it this way. And that is masah. وكان يمسح على رأسه تارة, and sometimes he used to do it once. وعلى الإمامة تارة, sometimes he used to make masah on his naked head, okay, and sometimes upon his imama. Imama is the turban which you tie. Imama is the turban which you tie. And when he used to wear imama, he did not take off the imama. He made masah over the imama. Imama is the turban, so you make masah over the imama, over the turban. وعلى ناصية والأمامة تارة, and sometimes if there is some place exposed, he used to make masah over that and over the imama also. وكان يغسل رجليه إذا لم يكون في خفين ولا جربين, and he used to wash his 2 feet when he wasn't wearing any socks or wasn't wearing any leather socks. خفين means leather socks, and جربين means woolen socks. ويمسح عليهما إذا كان في الخفين, and if he used to wear any خفين, any leather socks, he used to make masah over it. When he used to wear leather socks or socks, he used to make what? A masah. He did not wash that, because from the shurut is of masah over the leather socks or cotton socks is that فتدخلهما في الطهارتان. You have to enter your 2 feet when you are tahir, and you made wudu, then you put on your socks, and after that if you want to make a re-wudu, then you make masah with the socks. You don't have to take it out. So if the Prophet ﷺ was wearing any socks, leather socks or any woolen socks, he did not take it out and washed it, but what he did instead, he made masah over it. أو الجربين. وكان يمسح أذنيه مع رأسه, and when he used to make masah of the head, he used to also make masah of the ears along with it, and not differently, and he used to like this and come like this and this way. طيب.